You know, I remember my mother would make fresh gefilte fish every week, and she would buy the fish live, and it would swim in our bathtub until she killed it and gutted it and did whatever you do with it, ground it. It was all happening while I slept. And we would have, you know, she would, this is another example of her doing something that was in the tradition of the religion, but had no religious qualities to it. She would cook on Friday, all day Friday. She'd make the gefilte fish, she'd make chicken, she'd make chicken soup, she'd do the whole thing so that she didn't have to cook on Saturday. But it had more to do with her being able to have a day off than that she wasn't allowed to cook on Saturday.